Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, this is Owerri inside town. Guys, I will be taking you guys along this market. This is Owerri. So guys, this is along the road. This is inside the EKE, inside Ekonwa. So guys, we'll be going on this tour with me. So what you have to do for me is to stay tuned, stay blessed, and please subscribe, please share, please like. Let me take you in a vlogging video inside this Owerri, Imo State. So guys, this is the market. This is the outside. When you are viewing from up here to St. Paul's, the church you are seeing from there is St. Paul's. This is inside the market. Remember that Rocha scattered here when he was the governor of Imo State. So guys, this is the inside of this market, Owerri, the economy. So guys, I will be taking you to the buildings that Rocha's built. So this is the shops. You can see some of the shops are locked. People are not staying inside this shop. People are not in this location, this area. People like, staying where, market is moving, like the front side. So guys, I will be taking you guys along and inside this EKE Owerri. So this is the shops they built, Rochas built. So you can see they are still building more shops inside here. You can see some shops are closed. So this is the EKE Owerri, the biggest market in Imo State. So guys, this is a tour video. So I came and I said, let me do this video. I have shown you guys the other video. So this is the second part of this EKE Owerri vlogging video. So guys, I'll be showing you guys along. This is the shops. This is outside. Like I showed before, this is outside. This is outside. That's if you are going to Okigwe, down to St. Paul's, down to, like you are going out to Okigwe side. When you are going to Mbise Road, also from here up there, you will see Mbise Junction, Douglas Mbise Junction, like you are going to Amaosa side. So guys, this is the EKE Owerri that you used to hear. So I'm inside this place now, trying to show the video, trying to show how this inside look like. So I will be entering inside the market to show you guys. This is also inside the buildings. So I'm going out now. From here now, you see the main road. This is along Mbise Road Junction from Douglas. That road leads to Mbise Junction, like you are going to Amaosa. This one going to Okigwe side, Okigwe Park side, to Okigwe Park side, and St. Paul's area. This side is Mbise Road going to Amaosa. You will first see the junction Mbise roundabout there. So guys, this is EKE Owerri. This is the St. Paul's Church. You all know along Douglas Road, you see St. Paul's Church there. So I'm up here now trying to show you guys the views from up here and how this place now look like in 2025. You can see this is UBA Bank along that R6. So I'll be going inside the markets to show you guys. This is along the road. This is along the road of that Douglas, Okigwe Road, and Mbise Road. So guys, this is inside the market. This is inside the market of Ekonwa, Owerri, Imo State. So I'm going inside the market now. I'm showing you guys what they say here. What they say here. This is foodstuff side. So I'm showing you guys what they are really selling here. If it's your first time to watch my video, come across my channel or my page, please do like, subscribe, do follow me on my social media account. You can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm showing you the inside of EKE Owerri, the Econowa Owerri, Imo State. So this is it. This is Econowa. This is where they sell food stuff. You see, everywhere is like clean, neat. So guys, thank you for watching. This is when I was going. When I was going down to Douglas Road to Okigwe Road, Okigwe roundabout. So this is me going and videoing, also going down. So guys, if it's your first time watching my video, please do like, subscribe,